Hi, GM.
Oh, hey.
Just a quick question.
Okay.
Do you believe that age plays an important role in leadership?
Okay. So, in my opinion, more than age, it's really experience that does give an individual a distinct advantage, especially when it comes to leadership. Because, in my opinion, experience is a great teacher. Now, does this become a demerit for young aspiring leaders? In my opinion, no. Today's technology allows you access to the history of actions being taken by everybody in the same field. So, more important than experience, in my opinion, is your natural desire. If you want to learn something, the information is available today. But I say this carefully. When you choose a path of leadership, understand your intent and purpose. I think it's very important to be clear on how much and how you want to serve others. Leadership is about guiding people to a better path. And when that's true in your heart, you can be a leader. Now that's one GM stake. I do hope to see you on the next video. And remember, if it matters to you, it matters to me.